first day of IMTS 2022, and I'm here after hours, which seems like the best time because there's not a million people thronging every single machine, but there are machines everywhere, like miles of them, and it's pretty cool. This is IMTS After Dark, the newer, more modern, more updated version of the HTC 400 that I just finished retrofitting. And if I had my wish of any machine here, I'd probably pick this one. This is an awesome horizontal machine, and it has a built-in pallet pull inside of it. They have the bigger pallet pull on it right now, but you can get this machine with just a 4 pallet changer, and it's awesome. The pendant is over here on the left side. It's a horizontal, so the spindle is sideways. I don't know if you can see in there. Spindle's on its side. And then big tombstones. These are some meaty tombstones. But I guess this would still be considered a 400 millimeter tombstone. So really cool. Got a tombstone, I guess it's called the RPS 4000, but a pallet pull here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pallets. I guess they will let you walk around this. Way bigger with the pallet changer to the end of the machine is probably close to 16 feet. Pretty cool. This has a massive tool belt inside. Obviously a horizontal is meant to run for a long time unattended. It looks like they have a way that you can queue a tool here, and also one in the bucket. This is just a massive tool belt. It goes all the way up inside. You can see clear up inside, serpentines around. I can count at the highest number spots. Nope, 120 right there. So from 1 to 120 right there. So 120 tool belt. That's pretty wild. Big LNS chip conveyor here. Obviously this sucker's gonna move some chips, so gotta have a big chip conveyor. Pretty cool. This is the 5000 or the 5500. That's got a good sized tombstone. I mean, it's honestly, it's just crazy how much bigger this is. From the 4000 up to this 5500, it's just massive. I bet it's 30% bigger. It's a huge machine. Again, massive chip conveyor. Unfortunately, everything's locked, so I can't get into anything, but this is a Cat 50. Look at how big that tool is in there. It's massive. And more cute little steps. That's fun. And I mean, this thing's huge. Opens up, got to be able to get those pallets in and out of there. So that's really cool. Awesome. The DVF 5000, and DN Solutions now has a new mill called the DVF 4000. I haven't seen this before. Let's look at some of the differences. They're about the same size on the floor, but when you look inside, they're a fair amount different. Check it out.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good niche machine for job shops.
Yeah, it really will. So the 5000 has the trunnion connected right here in front on a bridge, and it U's down underneath and comes back up. Anyways, the tools are over here on the left side of the mill. Same thing over here. Tool changer over here on the side. And I gotta find a way to shield this. But there's no bridge here on the bottom. It just sticks straight out, so it's a little bit smaller. Pretty cool. All right, so I've asked myself before, like, how big is this machine? How much floor space would it take up in my shop? Front to back, it's probably about 12 feet. And then if you look on the back side of it, it's probably a good 8 feet wide back here. I'm not sure what this box in the back is. It must be electronics box. The sheet metal on the DVF 5000 is rounded. On the 4000, it's more boxy. It's a lot more square. You can see it's not rounded at all. So it's just a little smaller footprint, but that's an awesome machine. It looks like all the goodies of the 5000, but it's a smaller footprint. Definitely shorter here on the back. Probably, I don't know, closer to 8 feet or so long instead of 12. So 5000 is definitely a good amount of a bigger machine. This thing is a monster 5-axis mill with turning capabilities, and I've wanted to see one in person, and today's the day. So let's take a walk around of this thing. I don't know if we're gonna get this. I don't know if we're gonna have the privilege of walking around this tomorrow. I don't know if they're gonna let you, if it's on and moving and stuff. I'm sure they don't want people back by the chips and, you know, the conveyor and all that stuff. So let's take a look at the DVF 8000T. This is a huge machine. Let's check it out. Really cool. Moving into this mammoth trunnion. I don't know if we can get you a size perspective on this, but it's massive. It's probably to the top down to the bottom, I would say 12 to 14 feet tall. And this is the great thing about after hours, is all the vacuums going, so maybe you can't hear. But look at this. I'm not sure what this part is. Just massive. Massive forging. Look at this trunnion tilt here. This thing is a good, I would say it's a foot wide from bottom to the top. Big old fat trunnion. And then they have this mounted up here. So this thing can turn from the top, turn on its side, because this can spin. I can't remember how many RPMs this table can spin, but this sucker can spin. So they can turn this, and then when they're done, they can come in and cut features in. This looks like some kind of, I don't know if it's a demo part or if it's just some kind of a gear or something. But it's massive. I bet the diameter is, it's probably 16 to 20 inches or so. So swing arm style tool changer. Not gonna get a chance to get up here close and personal like this tomorrow because this machine's gonna be running. They've got some kind of tool in here. And it looks like the Y-axis would telescope in and out, and then X moves back and forth. Covered all the way around. Got a big bellows on top. Cute little stairs. They go up into it, obviously. A massive door. You just feel like a man when you grab this sucker. A wash down here. And let's move around the side. I feel bad, I'm gonna mess their carpet up, but this is IMTS. And so I guess they can come kick me out if they want. Look at these leveling feet. Holy crap, they're huge. They're solid still, and I bet they're a good, I don't know, they're probably 8 inches in diameter. I mean, there's my hand. There's the leveling feet. They're massive. Huge casting here. Huge casting. So the side of it is just absolutely monstrous. Step back here a little bit. Front to back, it's a good at least 12 feet, just the sheet metal. Huge chip conveyor out the back. So you'd need a solid 20 feet between. And they must be able to clear some chips because this sucker's huge. Like, look at the belt on that chip conveyor. Crazy. Really cool. Coolant tank. That thing's a monster. That's a huge, huge machine. Crazy. Just crazy how tall it is. I mean, it's probably, like I said, it's probably 13 to 16 feet tall there. It's wild. Here's the side of it. Got your e-stop, tool belt. Tool belt must serpentine forever up in there. It's like you can change tools on or offline. Really cool. That is the DVF 8000T. Really cool.